Now, do you go or you want me to go?
You go, because you went first, I went second. So third game. All right, guys, final game. We're up by a little bit, like I said. If you guys saw the last 1v1 3 games, you know that I got beat. And if you're interested, go watch that video. On game number 3. That's a very great start. So,
coming for that ass.
I think we got maybe 40 pins on at least. So anything can happen. We haven't thrown that many good shots here, so. Yeah. Oh, I'll take your Brooklyn. I don't like it.
I bet you will.
Well, that's the last few shots, counting last game, I missed inside. So, and I don't want to move because I know if I move, then I'm gonna miss it outside and it's not gonna come back. So we can't do that. All right, let's get down. That one looks a little better, I guess. 9 count, I think. Good. Better.
This is just like a King of the Hill match. You're only giving up 50-some sticks. Nothing new. It is nothing new.
Thank you.
Let's bang, bang out.
I'll set my cough a little bit. Oh, here we go.
Bang out, baby. Bang, bang out.
Here we go. That 40 or 50 pins can be gone in a second.
First double match. Let's see if we can follow it up with a target.
If he strikes, I'm sparing, so. Sorry, though. We can do what we can do. Oh! There it is.
Gobble, gobble, baby. Gobble, gobble.
Just gotta can't worry about his score. You know what I mean? I think everybody expects him to do that. He picked the pattern. He knew what he was doing. So, just gotta do our thing here. Looks pretty good. That's not good.
Shit.
That's not good. That's not good. So,
just like King of the Hill, baby.
I thought it was
Get her
good.
going.
It wasn't. As we go for count.
Every stick counts.
Yeah, you never know. All right, guys. No, 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 no.
Oh, no. Don't get nervous, bud.
Changed the hand position on it because I felt that I needed to. By doing so, did that. So we need to. It's gonna be fun here, guys. I think we can make it. I don't think I've ever made this. I don't think I've ever left it. Back-to-back opens.
All right, bro.
All right, guys.
There we go. Let's make these sticks up.
Do I change balls? Might have to.
Not with that one. Sailed that way out. Speed was off.
Like I said, then pins can disappear quick.
Oh, shit. Pick it up.
Let's pick up. So.
All right, get back on.
I don't want a scoreboard watch, but
Get back on.
pretty much damn even. So I don't know if I get the redemption out and throw it, or move a board to my right. These strikes here, we're going to be in some shit here. All right, guys, so we're going to move the board, I think.
Almost made the sticks up. Just keep going.
I'm going through the redemption here one time.
Now you know you should have used your spare ball.
I know. I know. I did try. Well, really, I was going to. Another reason why I did that is because I'm going to throw it. So I wanted to throw it at that. Okay, so we're using redemption, and we're.
That's what I get for the free soda at work all day. What do I want to eat?
I probably should throw this.
I might have to get a while. Welcome to the brain of the CJ. ADHD is strong. Squirrel. Come on, bruh.
Not good, I think. Unless he messes up, we do something here.
Throwing darts.
Fell apart. That happened at the end of the second game.
Go from no doubles all
So
day
he's gonna really have
to
to
2 in one game. Let's see if we can cobble in one game.
Well, I'm already falling apart, so.
Too far.
Oh,
There it is.
I still got a chance, I guess. Unless he makes this.
This is the only capital right there.
Just, like you said, you gotta make spares, and we
Oh, fuck that one all up.
missed some spares. Easy spares.
I'll get 2-6 out of it. I'm alright with that.
Looks like you've found something. I mean, I know you had a bad shot there, but
I woke up a little bit.
that's good. We just keep missing. Just keep missing.
I don't even drink. Where my 5-pin at? I'll take a shot of root beer.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not out of it yet, but you've definitely caught me.
Yeah, I
with the
made
score,
some pins.
but we gotta.
I made some pins.
I gotta make some damn spares here.
I think I was down by like 60 going into this game.
Sorry.
I think I'm making up some.
The audience has their hands are up for a 5-pin, and they were disappointed that I missed that. I made it. Sorry.
Oh, hey, look, Bruce is laying on the floor.
There we go. What I do to you?
Going to the redemption side, wrong ball. Should have went to the low flat.
You just gotta stay with them.
Ball stop driving and you're
Make this first
to get a light or that ball. You know what I'm trying to say. It's squirrel brain.
I guess you can kind of hook it over there.
A little bit. I grew up owning the likes of Jimmy Johnson, Jeremy Elder, Brian Elder, Jason Thornton, Kelly Stevens. We've had some big names come. It was some big competition. And I'm still low man on the totem pole. Oh, we'll pick that up.
I need all the concentration I can get. I need all the concentration I can get. I was winning after 2 and now I've been losing.
I missed it. Back to back opens. Ain't that some shit? We ain't letting that finish. We ain't finishing like that. We're going 230.
We're down out of the woods yet.
Oh, wait. We'll
I just gotta make something. Man, I don't want to bet against my parent. I hope you don't throw down the damn strike. You're doing enough as it was. Come on, I'm being honest. I know it's not about winning or losing. Well, you can see who this guy. Hey, security.
Mid-county sticks together.
We got a fan on the approach.
Sorry, it's endurance. One way or another. Getting into the video.
Mid-county sticks together.
Hey, Toast, I like circles. It's a good song.
I'll say it for you, dude. Come on, man.
I was down like 60 pins going into the third. Yeah.
Come on, come back. Come on back.
I'm treating it like it's king of the hill.
So I stood there. I wasn't sure if all 10 fell. This could be.
Got a chance to get me though.
If I can do something here in the 10th, take one shot at a
He's
time.
definitely
though.
got a chance to beat my run to come back to him.
So I know it's close. He strikes out, it's definitely over. So we need to do our part. Put the pressure on him. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Nope.
Oh. What I do to you? I think I saw enough 7 pins last night. It'll last a lifetime. All right, guys, we definitely need to make this. All right, it's definitely over.
Carrying down, and he got lost. 30, 150.
All right.
210, 210, 215-ish. Let's just finish out and be done with it.
Go striking and be
Come back with the
in
win.
his hands, I guess. No, not there. Shitty 8 count.
That's not how you want to finish.
No, definitely not. I think it all rides on this ball here, honestly. I think you see marks, I think it's over.
Wow, ain't that some shit?
Oh, man.
Did I just give him the win for total? I just gave him
I
total.
think. Guys, I don't know. It might be good. This is definitely not how we want to finish. He bowled so good.
I literally gave him total. But we're going to make it
Like I
try
said,
to
it's
look
not
good.
about winning and losing, but it's
We're
be
gonna
nice
do our
when somebody
best.
challenges you and they pick their own shot. Oh, man. So, can you hit the recap and see who won? Because I have no idea.
I'm pretty sure you got it. Probably like 10 or 20. 9
Wow.
pins.
That's why I knew if you guys, I said if you got a mark, it was over.
9 pins.
All right,
Good
brother.
shit, man.
All right, man. Nice following you.
We'll definitely
really
have to do this again.
Definitely. It was definitely fun. All right, guys. Thanks for watching JJ Bowling, and we'll see you in the next one.